Hi, welcome to my channel, Making Fun and Building Memories. I'm going to show you today how to build a PVC bow out of a 5-foot piece of PVC. You can buy this at Lowe's. And all this stuff you should be able to buy at Lowe's. The driveway markers, they're about 4 foot long. They're fiberglass. You can buy them at Lowe's or Home Depot. Some duct tape, a file, some paracord, hacksaw, marker, and a measuring tape. Okay, first you're going to take your, this is a 3/4 inch PVC. Take your 3/4 inch PVC and take your tape measure, measure in an inch, mark it, measure in an inch from the other end and mark it, and put a mark right exactly in the center of this. That's just going to be so when you grab this, you're going to know where to grab it from. Then you're going to take your file, and I already did this one right here. You're going to file down in about 1/4 inch down into the PVC. This file itself is about 1/4 inch, so that fits down in there about perfectly. I filed down in there and I actually rounded it off a little bit. That's where your paracord is going to go. You're going to want to do this on the other end, exactly in the same spot. Take your marker and mark, when you get done filing this one, mark the exact center of that. That way you can look down at the other end. You'll know exactly where the center of this one is. Okay, I filed out both sides of these. I'm going to take a little piece of sandpaper and just sand this down a little bit so it's not rough on the paracord. Alright, the PVC is ready. Now you got to take your 2 fiberglass rods. I already did this too. We're going to take one rod and measure in 12 inches, and then you should have a 36-inch piece left. Take the other rod and measure in 18 inches, and that'll give you should be around a 30-inch piece left. And then cut them with your hacksaw. Fiberglass, so you may want to put a mask on. Okay, after you get them all cut, take your tape measure and measure this and mark the center of each piece. You should have 4 pieces. We'll mark that one at 18 inches. That'll be your long rod. And the next shortest one, mark that should be about 15. Looks like it's a little less than that. $14 7/8 on that on mine. shortest one should be marked at 9 inches. And you should have one piece that should be a foot. So mark that at 6 inches. Alright, take your duct tape. Be something like that, mark. And line all the centers up. Put them together. Take your duct tape. Wrap that around there just a couple times. Don't wrap it too many or it's not going to fit in your PVC. I'm going to check that. Alright, now take your rods and you're going to want to tape these all together. Start it on there a little bit on an angle so that way you can wrap. This will start wrapping right around all of them. Alright, push that down inside your PVC. Okay, you got your fiberglass rods in there. You're going to want to push that down inside there about a foot so it's even. So if you have a stick that would fit in there, that would be better. I'm just taking another piece of 1/2 inch PVC and shoving it in there. Foot. I'm going to check it. It should be a foot. This side should be about a foot too. Right. Let's take your paracord and put that on. Just put a nice easy overhand knot on the one side. Slide that over to one end. That. Come up to the other end. Take your tape measure. Measure down from the pipe, your PVC pipe. Measure down about 6 1/4 inches. And take your paracord. And then just that's where you're going to want to take your paracord and loop it around right there at that about 6 1/4 inches and tie a knot. put this PVC behind, like, well, I'm right-handed, so I'm putting it behind my right knee, and then I put the end of the PVC pipe against my left ankle, and then just push. There you go. I also marked on my string with a couple pieces of duct tape, since mine is white, so I knew where the exact center of that was. Works like a champ. I think I would unhook this when you store it though. Alright, now time to go shoot it. Good shooting. Whew. We're good. If a deer's only 15 feet in front of us, we'll be good. You're like Robin Hood. Good shooting, Spence. Good shooting. Whoa, that one was really moving, but you missed it.
Went right over it.
Okay.
Yep. Recording. Wow, you actually hit the center.
Yeah, but I'm aiming for the center. Woo! You're getting better.
The gloves help.
Yeah? Oh, good.
Well, because it hurts less when like when all that pressure from the strings up against your hand, it helps. I want to try to hit that back there.
Move over to the right a little bit. Yep, right there.
I want to try to hit that little thing back there.
Oh, you hit it. It didn't go in though. Put your hand, make sure your hand is always in the same spot. Your left one. Uh-oh. Hit it. It's a lot harder to go. That thing was made to stop a crossbow, buddy. Crossbows are going really fast. That's only about 40 pounds. Yeah. Oh! There you go. Move over to the right. Watch that arrow. Okay. Right there. Oh. Missed. I don't know what you did there. Something different.
I'm going to shoot that box now.
You got to do the exact same thing every time. Oh! It's tricking me. It's out there in the grass. Alright, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about building this bow, just put them down in the comments. And click our picture up here in the corner. Thank you.